These are going to be the elevators in the Capitol Tower of the Crystal Gateway Marriott. Oh, that's the garage. We want the hotel ones. These used to be Westinghouse elevators, but Thyssenkrupp came in and modded these, I believe, in 2015 or 16. Mad BS Classic coal station here, but you have Mad Atoll over here. This one. Let's go up to 17. TK Traditional. And here we go.
Notice how they skip certain floors.
Oh, yeah. 17. Alright, let's go down to lobby. There's the fireman phone. And there's also a regular phone built into the COP. Let's get a view of the cab. There's Brandon there. Very nice. TK newer traditional fixtures. Here we are now. Alright, we'll take these for one more ride. Going up? What floor?
14.
14. 3.
Thank you.
No problem.
You're on the tallest floor.
Top, but yes. Went up.
Oh, you going up?
Yes.
What floor?
8, please.
8. Alright, you have fun. Bye.
Bye.
And we'll get off up here and get a look outside.
Sure.
Playing Pokemon Go still? Ah. Yeah, you can definitely tell these used to be Westinghouse by the brails and everything.
Oh, there's some chairs here.
Oh, nice. This looks like a nice hotel. Here's some of Arlington. Looks like services are down this way. Gotta look at a hallway. Very nicely renovated. Ice machines there. Guessing they may be behind there. And there it ends. Alright, we'll just head back down. Let me push the buttons, please. Oh, never mind. It's all good. Westy brails. And we got this one. Westinghouse interlock. One on L. Skip 3 floors on the indicator.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Here we are. And we'll get off here. Well, there it goes. That will be it.